Okay, so now we're finding slope and finding equations. Very important in the math world. Now remember, given two-ordered pairs, slope is changing y over changing x. So there we go. So this would be 7 minus 3 is 4, over 4 minus 2 is 2. So that's 2. Oh, x equals the number is a vertical line. The slope is always undefined. Now remember, if it's y equals a number, the slope is 0. That's a horizontal line. Oh my goodness, can I make it any easier? Whenever it's solved for y, the slope is the number times x. And for this one, now there's different ways to do it. You could find ordered pairs, that's fine, or you could solve it for y. So subtract 3x, and then divide by -4. So that would be 3/4 x minus 3. Oh, that is your slope. Now find the slope and the y-intercept. Again, the first one, oh, that's free points. I'm giving it to you, my peeps. So the slope is 7, and the y-intercept is the number added to the x term. Now, for this one, a little bit of work here. We have to solve it for y. That's the easiest way of doing it. So I'm going to subtract 2x. Then divide by -3. So I'd have y equals 2/3 x minus 2. So my slope is 2/3, and my y-intercept is -2. Now, find equation in slope-intercept form. Well, when I'm given the slope and intercept, it's pretty easy. So it'd be y equals 6x plus 7. Slope-intercept is y equals mx plus b. Should have that memorized. Then, given a slope and a y-intercept, start over, sorry. Given a slope and a point, I meant to say, but it didn't come out that way, I would use point slope, which is y minus y1 equals the slope, x minus x1. Should have that memorized, but most of you didn't. So you'd go y minus the y number equals the slope, x minus the x number. So distribute the 4, y minus 3 equals 4x minus 8. Add 3 to both sides, y equals 4x minus 5. So here we go. Find the slope, 6 minus 3, 3 minus 2. So it'd be 3. So pick a point. I'm going to pick this one. Y, I have no idea. Use the point slope formula. Y minus 6 equals 3. X minus 3. So y minus 6 equals 3x minus 9. Add 6 because it said put it in slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form. Solve it for y is another way of saying it. So I would add 6, and that's my answer. Now this says put it in standard form. So I'd go y equals 1/2 x plus 1/4. Now remember, standard form, you want the x and y on one side, the number on the other, and no fractions. No fractions. So I'm going to multiply everything by the LCD to get rid of those fractions. And the LCD is 4, so we'd have 4y equals 2x plus 1. And I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides, so minus 2x plus 4y equals 1. Now, I'm going to put this in point slope form. Now, there are a few books that will say they want the answer in point slope formula. So you would just give them that. If it said give it to them in point slope. I'm not a big fan of leaving it in point slope. I was never taught that. I was always taught slope intercept or standard. But it is what it is. This says standard. So you distribute the 6. Y minus 3 equals 6x minus 12. So we're going to subtract y and add 12. So 9 equals 6x minus y. So I subtracted y from both sides. This is 0 then. 6x minus y. Add 12. Negative 3 plus 12 is 9. Hey, we are moving pretty good, my peeps. If you can remember all this. Probably have 2 more videos to go, but we'll see.